Alright, family. Well, may these eggs rest in peace, because, you know, let me tell you, they're almost gone. They're almost gone, dude. Like, yo, pink shirt over on the left. Like, look. Whatever. But look, you can't deny that this is not good. Now, if you don't like eggs, you don't like cheese, you don't like meat, this ain't for you. This ain't for you, family. But, dang, dude. Like, come on, I ate all of these. And I don't know if it was because I've been on a fast or what, but holy, wow. For a 3 out of 10, they're pretty damn good. Okay? Okay. Well done. Listen, if you're the type of person that doesn't have a reason to get up in the morning, like, sometimes I do. Like, sometimes I don't have a reason to get up. But if you want a reason to get up, buy yourself some eggs, buy yourself some cheese, and buy yourself some salami. Or any type of meat you like. Because these eggs are bussin'. Like, they're bussin'. Like, I'm full now. I was full halfway in between this plate. I was full. But the taste is so good it's there. And, you know, trust me. If I could do it, if I could eat this and make it, so can you. My only complaint is I didn't have enough eggs, family. However, now I gotta go back onto my fast. So, follow me. See you later. Smash that like button if you want to see more food from TikTok, and I'm on TikTok now. So, if you guys want to see this on, ooh, that's an eggy burp. Of course, I get somebody messes me. See you guys later.